Okay, so I've been seeing this homemade hair mask and I want to try it. It has like mayo and eggs and honey and coconut oil in it, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if it actually works. And my hair looks like Lord Farquaad, but I'm gonna see what it'll do to my hair and if it'll make it fall out. I guess that's a possibility. Okay, so you're supposed to have mayo, coconut oil, honey, and an egg yolk. This seems like a waste, so I'm excited to see that. So she doesn't say like measurements or anything, but so we're just gonna put some coconut oil. I'm not excited to put mayo in my hair. Like honey. I feel like now we're gonna crack an egg. I'm gonna show off my one-handed egg crack. I was supposed to put just the yolk. We're gonna have to do that again.
A few moments later.
Okay, so doing this again because I messed it up. All about the yolk, but I mean, okay, so I made the mixture and I'm supposed to put it in my hair now, which is the part I'm
really excited for.
And then I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna look so good. We're gonna go put this in my hair. I'm really excited for that. Okay, I'm not excited to put this in my hair. It's sticky, it's smelly, it's mayo. I mean, it really doesn't smell that bad. Okay, I'm just gonna stick my hand in there. Okay. Okay. This feels wrong. Ew. And the girl in the video, she's like, do twice a week to see results. Ew, it's like pulling my hair out. I guess I'm supposed to use all of it. No. So, let me just clip it up, I guess. A hot new bombshell enters the villa. Don't call me. So you're supposed to let it sit for like 30 minutes, so it is currently 5:01, so I'm gonna wait. What's for dinner?
One eternity later.
Alright, so I left it in for more than 30 minutes because I got lazy. So I'm gonna wash it out. Ooh, my hair does feel soft though. Oh, you're back. So I washed it out. So my hair is drying right now. Okay, so it's the next day. My hair genuinely feels really nice. Like I haven't done anything to it. I mean, it looks pretty good. I was expecting it to fail and I actually like it. I will be doing it again. I actually do recommend it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I like the way my hair feels. So 10 out of 10 for me. I hope this content was enjoyable. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry this video was definitely not aesthetic and cute. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.